our collection of short films. We just screened our collection of short films. There's about 4 or 5 short films that we screened today, and it's just been an amazing experience.
मेरा सपना था कि मुझे यहाँ पे एक्टिंग में कुछ तो करना ही है.
लगाम ने अच्छा Brother, I told you my plan, my MCCQE result.
Doctor's fucking interview.
Man up, man. It's holding you back.
मरते दम तक तेरा बेटा मुझसे मजदूरी करवाएगा. तुम बस घर में बैठकर आराम करो.
आई थिंक तीनों मूवीज़ एक्चुअली चारों मूवीज़ ने हमारा जो यहाँ का लैंडस्केप है एंड यू नो व्हाट पीपल आर गोइंग थ्रू इट रियली कैप्चर्ड दैट एंड एनकैप्सुलेटेड दैट. तो मूवीज़ देख के बहुत मज़ा आया.
How did you like the movie?
Yes.
Honestly, अभी मैंने भी अपनी डिग्री ख़त्म की है, तो a lot of the stories were about economy and degree, so it was very relatable. I enjoyed it a lot.
What was so amazing to see was to see someone that I know on the big screen. Her acting was fantastic. This is the first time you have come here to see such a short movie?
No, it's the second time. Same director.
कैलगरी कनाडा में मनोरंजन का ऐसा माहौल देखने को मिल रहा है जैसे मानो दिवाली का त्यौहार भारत में मनाया जा रहा हो. आज कैलगरी में इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल का आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें देश विदेश के फिल्म निर्माता अपनी फिल्मों का प्रदर्शन करते हैं.
अल्लाह की कसम, I swear to God. क्या हो ना, बस समझ ले, तेरा पुत्र पास हो गया ना, बस तू 10 केड़ी फ्रिज लेनी और नहीं थी लेनी है कि डॉलर.
ये फिल्म फेस्टिवल इसलिए खास है क्योंकि कोरोना के दौर में इसे आयोजित किया गया है.
You don't know anything. बकवास बंद करो. तुमने किया क्या मेरी जिंदगी?
इसमें कई तरह के अलग अलग फिल्मों की स्क्रीनिंग की गई है. फीचर फिल्म से अलग हटकर शॉर्ट फिल्म का नया दौर शुरू हुआ, जो लोगों को काफ़ी प्रभावित करने लगा है. आज कैलगरी के ग्लोब सिनेमा में कुछ ऐसे ही नायाब शॉर्ट फिल्म दिखाई गई, जिनके नाम हैं चर्सी, हाफिज और दी हिपोक्रेट. वहीं द वाइब्रेंट न्यूज़ की टीम कैलगरी के ग्लोब सिनेमा पहुंची, जहां फिल्म देखकर निकले लोगों से खास बातचीत भी की.
नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों, आज हम कैलगरी के इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में आए हैं. एक ख़ास कैटेगरी है जो कि है शॉर्ट फिल्म्स और इंडिपेंडेंट मूवी मेकर्स की, जो कि छोटी बजट की मूवी बनाते हैं लेकिन जिसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. इसी तरह की कुछ 3 या 4 मूवीज़ आज हम यहाँ पे देखने आए हैं और हमारे साथ एक ख़ास मेहमान है जो कि इस एक मूवी में इन्होंने काम किया है. यहाँ की मुख्य अभिनेत्री हैं, इनका नाम कोमल है. इनसे बात करते हैं, इनसे जानते हैं कि इनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा और यहाँ पे आज इनको कैसा लगा कि जब ये मूवी आ रही थी और ये स्क्रीन हो रहा था तो ये खुद भी बैठ के ऑडियंस के साथ देख रही थी, तो इनको खुद का काम भी कैसा लगा और लोगों का कैसा इनको कंट्रीब्यूशन लगा. आइए जानते हैं इनसे कि इनको कैसा लगा आज का एक्सपीरियंस.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम कोमल रूपारेलिया है. मुझे यहाँ पे 3 साल हो गए कैलगरी में, एंड ये मेरी फर्स्ट शॉर्ट फिल्म है और ये मेरा सपना था कि मुझे यहाँ पे एक्टिंग में कुछ तो करना ही है, बट मुझे अच्छा चांस मिला और यस, मुझे फिल्म मिल गई और मुझे आज इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. मेरी फैमिली है मेरे साथ, मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं सब यहाँ पे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे और इसके आगे भी मैं काम करूँगी, आपको और अच्छे फिल्म दिखाऊंगी. ये मूवी मेरे लिए बहुत ख़ास है और ये मूवी आप लोग भी देखिए क्योंकि ये फैमिली के ऊपर है, पूरी देसी फैमिली के ऊपर. और जो यहाँ पे कनाडा में आते हैं तो जो स्ट्रगल करते हैं और उसके बाद उनके बच्चों के ऊपर क्या असर होता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो यहाँ पे आपको ये मूवी में दिखाई जाएगी.
कैलगरी इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में हमें कुछ शॉर्ट मूवीज़ की स्क्रीनिंग कराई गई. ये एक बहुत ही यूनिक और एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन इनिशिएटिव है जिसमें गवर्नमेंट ने भी अपना योगदान दिया है और जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि ये मूवीज़ साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज़ में शो करी जाएगी, स्पेशली जो हिंदुस्तान की जनता है या पाकिस्तान है या जो भी मिडल ईस्ट साइड की जो कंट्रीज़ हैं वहाँ पे भी ये शो करी जाएगी। लेकिन उसके पहले आइए हम लोग जानते हैं कि ऑडियंस का कैसा रिएक्शन था, उन्हें कैसा लगा ये एक, क्योंकि ये शॉर्ट फिल्म थी, ये फीचर फिल्म से थोड़ी सी हटके थी, किस तरह का उनका एक्सपीरियंस रहा, आइए कुछ लोगों से जानते हैं।
आई थिंक तीनों मूवीज़, एक्चुअली चारों मूवीज़ ने हमारा जो यहाँ का लैंडस्केप है एंड यू नो व्हाट पीपल आर गोइंग थ्रू, इट रियली कैप्चर्ड दैट एंड एनकैप्सुलेटेड दैट। तो मूवीज़ देख के बहुत मज़ा आया एंड लोकल आर्ट था, लोकल आर्टिस्ट थे, प्रोडक्शन हाउस था एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर एंड सपोर्ट लोकल आर्टिस्ट्स एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कवरिंग दिस इवेंट एंड या।
How has been your experience?
It was good. जैसे अभी ये बोल रही थी, experience was quite relatable and honestly अभी मैंने भी अपनी डिग्री ख़त्म की है, तो a lot of the stories were about economy and degree, so it was very relatable. I enjoyed it a lot.
It is a bit different from a regular movie, right? And the audience obviously will be a bit different as well, and their expectations will be a bit different. So how do you think that, where are those audiences, which are the specific audiences that would really appreciate this kind of movie?
I think कोई भी, I think immigrant communities anywhere, it doesn't have to be just desi, it could be anybody, because हम सबके experiences बहुत similar होते हैं। आप यहाँ पे कनाडा हो या कहीं भी जाओ या अपने country से move करो, सबके लिए डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, सबके सेकंड जनरेशन के लिए डिफ़िकल्ट होता है और काफ़ी टाइम अपने पेरेंट्स को भी उनको समझ आती है कि हमारे अपने बच्चों को कैसा एक्सपीरियंस होता है।
आपका कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस? और आपके साथ एक बच्चा है और वो बच्चे ने भी अगर मूवी देखी है तो उनसे भी जानना चाहेंगे कि उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आज का।
How did you like the movie?
Yes.
You heard it here, folks. No, I only was able to catch the very end of the movie, but what was so amazing to see was to see someone that I know on the big screen. Her acting was fantastic. What was so amazing for me to learn was seeing how much talent is right here. I think we overlook that fact. We only think of Hollywood or Bollywood when we think of talent and big productions, but this is proof that amazing work is happening in all corners of the world. We just have to give it a chance.
Right. आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है आज का?
It was pretty great. It was cool to see that, I've been in this city for about 3 years now, and to be able to see that like on the screen, like having to watch a movie and like seeing your own city in it, it was pretty cool to see. The acting of all the actors was super great. Really appreciated all their work.
We also saw that at the end of the movie, there was a lot of hooting, like people were really enjoying. So of all the 3-4 movies that we saw, which was the one that you want to be, you want to call it your favorite? Anyone?
I think Hafiz was probably mine. Hafiz and Jersey, both. I think both were very relatable with the economy, the immigrant side of it. So I think both of those were quite relatable for me.
And for you?
For me, Hafiz was the one which caught my eye because being an immigrant myself and having been the first generation here, so that was something I related quite a bit. So I think Hafiz will be for me. Yeah.
So we can say like Hafiz is the most favorite one for everyone? Jersey?
There are 2 reasons for me, because one, my wife is working in Jersey, and 2, Jersey is a topic about cannabis, and cannabis being legalized here in Canada, the effect that it has on immigrant families or any family in general, just because you have access to legal cannabis. So I think the way they depicted it in the movie is pretty nice, and they said they're going to come up with the next part. Looking forward to it.
We are here in Calgary, Alberta, and today is a very special day. Calgary hosts various short films, especially the independent filmmakers on in the theaters and in the general movie industry. So today it's one of the biggest film festivals of Calgary, and we are here watching a few movies, especially the short movie category in Calgary, and we have a few people over here who have just saw this movie and just come out of the theater. So let's talk to them and get to know like how did they like it and what were the expectations and stuff. So we have a gentleman here, he would talk about it.
Yeah, my name is Farhad.
So, this is the first time you have come here to see such a short movie?
No, it's the second time. Same director. Watched this and kind of came out because it's kind of independent and actually know the director and wanted to kind of support the community.
फिल्मों के निर्माता और निर्देशक आमिर जावेद ने बताया कि ये फिल्म एक साधारण परिवार के संघर्ष के ऊपर आधारित है जो कि नए इमिग्रेंट की तरह कनाडा में आकर कुछ साल पहले बसे थे। इन फिल्मों की खास बात यह है कि 30 मिनट के अंदर एक आम आदमी की ज़िंदगी से मिलती हुई कहानी एक बड़े पर्दे पर देखने को मिलती है जो कहीं न कहीं हर इंसान को अपने स्ट्रगल के दिनों की याद दिलाती है। बता दें कि जल्द ही ये फिल्में इंटरनेट और अन्य प्लेटफॉर्म पर रिलीज होंगी और पूरे देश विदेश के लोगों तक पहुंचेंगी।
We are here at the Calgary International Film Festival, and there is a specific category of movies which is dedicated for independent movie makers. So we are at the Globe Cinema of Calgary, and we saw a few screenings of like 4 movies, and let's get up close with the main cast and the people who really did all the groundwork of the movies. They are the directors, the producers and the actors themselves, and let's see what has been their experience so far being a part of this movie, and what is it that they are expecting from this movie, and what kind of audiences that they would like to show their projects to.
Hi there. Yeah, so we just screened basically our life's work for the past couple years. Our collection of short films. We just screened our collection of short films. There's about 4 or 5 short films that we screened today, and it's just been an amazing experience. Some of the movies that we made here, we started basically with no money at all, just basically what we could afford at the moment, shooting in our own homes and stuff, and then getting that on the big screen and people relating to it. It's amazing, and just it's been a journey. It's really been a journey.
Yeah, I think you covered it.
I covered it? Okay.
So you have acted in the movie, right? And how has been your experience, acting in these short films?
I guess the experience has really been a lot of learning and a lot of gaining that experience, because they're very versatile roles, very different. I guess one could almost say they're almost polar opposites, where one is a first-generation immigrant character and the other is a second-generation immigrant character, and then all the different things that come with that, where it's essentially 2 people from 2 different countries, and like there's 2 different mannerisms, 2 different histories and 2 different experiences. So that's really allowed me to explore humanity in 2 different, 2 different vessels, really.
So we just come out of a premiere of all the short movies that were being screened over here. There were like 3 to 4 movies that we just saw as part of the film festival, the Calgary International Film Festival. We have a few audiences over here who have just got the first-hand experience of all these movies. So let's talk about how did they feel, and whether they really liked, and which one was the favorite amongst all.
It was a good experience. I actually know the director and the actors, so to see them on the big screen was very amazing, it felt really good to see them. Out of the 2 movies that we watched, Charsi and Hafiz, I liked Hafiz personally, just because they had it was just complete. That's what it felt like.
And what about you?
It was a good experience too. I love the movies, all the picture. Yeah, I really like it.
And as far as the shooting of the movie is concerned, I think all the movies were being shot in Alberta itself. So do you think that this is going to be a trend even more in the years, in the months to come, and more movies are going to be shot in Alberta?
I think it depends on every situation, like every director, where they come from, right? These guys, the movies we watched today, they're born, raised here almost. Not born, but they're raised here, right? So they're familiar with all of this. The stories we watched today make sense here in Calgary, because that's what goes on behind closed doors, right? So we're used to this stuff. I think Alberta has always been a place for people to come and make films. Maybe it's cheaper to do so, but especially these 2 films, it's just because they're from here, right?
Well, I think we people who just came here, everyone really enjoyed and they had a good time. And I would say that it was a bit of a different experience, very different from a regular feature film that you go and watch in a multiplex. And I think that this may be a trendsetter in the months to come or years to come. Right?
Yes, I think the same.
Nice talking to you. Thank you.